Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebubechukwu here. So today we are making ice cream. It's actually vanilla ice cream. Sit back and enjoy. Hello, it's Mommy Ebubechukwu here. So I'm making use of 3 cups of full cream milk, corn flour, sugar and vanilla essence. This is full cream milk. You can get it in your local supermarket or in bakery shop. I just added the sugar and the corn flour to the milk. I'm going to stir it until everything is properly dissolved. That is until my whisk cannot pick any grain of the sugar. Make sure your heat or your flame or your stove is on low medium heat. You don't want your milk to burn, so your heat should be on low medium, and you stir it continuously. Maybe every 2 minutes or every 1 minute you stir the milk. Because we are making vanilla ice cream, I'm going to add the vanilla now. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence or extract. As you can see, the milk is not boiling too much because it's on medium-low heat. So the milk is thick enough. I'm going to take it down and allow it to cool for 4 hours. Then I'm going to whisk it again and add the milk. This is 4 hours later. As you can see, it has really thickened. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. This is my powdered milk, 3 tablespoons. After mixing it now, I'm going to mix it for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you are using an electric hand mixer, a minute is okay. If you are using a little blender, just on a high speed for 30 seconds is okay. But I want to do it manually, that's why I'm using my hand weights. So I'm going to mix it for about 3 to 5 minutes. And it's ready. I'm just going to pour it into the container I want it to freeze in. That is the container that you can add it, put it in your fridge with. And that is it. I'm going to pour it right into this container, and I'm going to allow it to freeze overnight, or you can allow it to freeze for about 5 to 6 hours until it's completely frozen. So this is the next day. It's really frozen. So our ice cream is ready. It tastes so good. It has this milky vanilla flavor and it's so delicious. So this is how you make your vanilla ice cream at home, in the comfort of your home. The vanilla ice cream was so delicious. It tastes so good. Thank you for watching my video. If you are watching up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to join the family and help me grow. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.